Hi everyone, this video is in collaboration with a few other YouTubers. I'm going to leave the links to each of their channels in the description box, along with a playlist with everyone's video inside. And we're all going to be making a Christmas cushion or pillow. There's going to be lots of ideas to inspire you. So you might recognize this. This was in one of my hauls that I filmed recently. It's 2 placemats, beautiful cotton and stag print. Sometimes you can just find the most beautiful placemats, and I think that it can make beautiful home decor. So I'm going to show you how to turn 2 placemats into a cushion. So you're going to take your placemats, and this is as simple as can be. Turn your hot glue gun on, and you can also stitch this if you have a sewing machine. And you can get special hot glue that's made just for fabric, so if you put it in the washing machine it won't come undone. Make sure that you be careful with this part so that it's equal and straight, and then press down. And I find that this way helps, doing it one bit at a time. Just take your time, make sure it's all done properly. And then you're going to make sure that you leave an opening. And for the stuffing you can use an old pillow or a cheap pillow, so this here is from Poundland, and you can also use some toy stuffing, and this was also from Poundland. So I'm going with the cheap pillow and I'm just stuffing that inside. So you can see the older pillow or the cheap pillow is inside, and now all we're going to do is seal this up with some hot glue. And so here's a finished DIY. I told you guys this is going to be really quick, easy and simple, but isn't it just beautiful? And now you have a use for those old cushions as well. And now you know you can also turn placemats into something more. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Thank you for watching. Bye!